Ladies and gentlemen, there is a truck down on I-44. That's a dramatic entrance. I don't know if that'll make the cut or not. Anyway, Hollywood, I'll get to him in a minute, are responding. If I can get this kid to slow down without blowing up my brake rotors, that'd be a good thing. He's got lead foot syndrome. It's been a couple of days since we went on a real road run. Helped out a local guy yesterday, but that was easy. And we're happy to help him. But this is a turnpike call. These always get my hair up. Never ever like working on the turnpike or the interstate, really. But the interstate, at least there's room for people to get over. These turnpike calls are dangerous. So when you see us out here, get over, please. It's my family. It's his family. Move over and slow down. But I think it's 2 drives, low pro 22.5s. Drug them out for a minute. I got rims. He says they're good rims. Couldn't tell for the picture, so I got rims. I don't know, got a couple tires back there. Hollywood.
What's up, guys?
You got anything?
No see.
It has been a day or two.
Yeah, last time I seen you guys, we were at the Joplin Scale House.
That was a heck of a run.
Yeah. 3 hub replacements, yeah.
Well, it was 2 hub replacements and 1 wheel seal.
Yeah, 1 wheel seal.
Yeah, I think that's what it was. And a whole partridge and pear tree. Go back and watch some other videos. I think we talked about it a little bit. So we're in hot pursuit, and hopefully we can get this trucker helped out. Well, we're just getting on scene. Old Hollywood's getting the old ropes out. But I think somewhere right in here is the problem. I don't think it's supposed to look like that. But what do I know? We got a little damage up here. We got to make sure all that clears. A little bit down here, but if that clears, we'll kick him out of here. Hollywood, you ready to do some work?
Let's do it.
Let's get some work done. Hey, Hollywood. Do you think maybe we could come up with like you're part of the blowout gang?
Oh, yeah.
Or the blowout mafia?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. Tammy mentioned that I needed to have like handles, like for, so you get found on social media. Blowout gang. I don't know. What do you think? Some people wear gloves. I don't know who would do that on a blowout, but clearly not that young man, and he clearly doesn't even care about the rim because he gave him a mat and he doesn't even want to use it. Put jets an inside and they're probably ruined anyway. He drug them. What do you do? You need more bars, sir. If you can't get it with that, I'll grab you the other bar. You're pretty dry, just like at home.
Did you take it like this?
You don't have to yank on it quite so hard.
And you rip it off.
When you put a little lubrication on it, it really just helps everything.
No, you go in dry.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I like a little lubrication. You want to watch one more? Let's see how he does on this one. He did pretty good. Oh. There's one down. Gonna do the 2-bar. Oh. Nice. Think you'll need another bite there, but maybe not. You had lube on it, probably would have went.
Got lube on.
Well, you do on this bead, but that other bead on the back one, you kind of forgot about it. Energetic? No prostate problems for you? Oh. You gotta get that top bead off. There it is. Now you got it. Nice. Nice. There's one right behind you. You want me to do a helpful foot? I'm happy to, man. Live action. Oh, am I supposed to give that a yee or something? Or oh, right in that. in the old smackaroo. Hey, Hollywood.
What?
Well, you got to put that tire on with that sticker. How many times?
He can have him blow out down the road. We'll come get him again.
Well, that's probably what happened. The last tire guy left a sticker on the dang thing.
Here, hold on.
Sir. Sir. Thank you. Thank you. And now, after all those kind gestures, we could put it on the sticker pole. Right there. And right there. Hollywood's Roadside Body Shop and Repair. I think it'll be just fine. 2 new tires, pack it up. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, this is a family-friendly show, sir.
It's my toupee.
Okay, I'll give you that. My, anybody, he's rentable. If you want him, I'll rent him out to you. Sheesh. Well, you gotta hand it to him. The consistency is real. Well, we didn't need those wheels. Not sure how he drug them. I didn't have to replace them, but they didn't look too bad. Hey, where are you going, Burrito Bucks?
Right here.
You think you're in now?
Yeah.
How was the road run? Was it a good run?
Good run.
That was like, why couldn't we get jacks under there? That thing was like low.
I think he was heavy. I think he was heavy.
That can be a cause, almost like a leading cause. But we got artwork. If you need some, I'll put it on your wall for you. Or he'll
$3.99. You can come get it today.
or he'll dance with you. Either way, we're back in service. Give me a call. You get us